Observe Winberg, Introduction to Java Methods. What is method? What is method? Winberg, can you tell me what is method? See, method, it is not only in Java programming, you can find in any object-oriented programming language, C++, C Sharp, Python, etc. Tell me what is method in your own words.
I'm not sure.
Not sure. Okay. Charles, what is method?
Sir, we create methods
Ah,
in class.
in class, okay.
Sir, to doing a positive, negative testing.
Positive, negative testing. Here, no
Right.
relation with testing. We are discussing
Right.
Java.
Yes, sir. Method is kind of the approach we create.
It's not
Java class.
approach. It is not approach. Okay. Nagalakshmi, can you tell me what is method in object-oriented programming? What is method? It's simple.
Sir, actually, method, it's a block of code.
Yes, block of code. Good. Block of code to perform certain action. Okay. It's a block of code, Charles. It's a block of code. It is not approach.
Yes.
It is not for positive and negative testing, Charles. Continue, Nagalakshmi. What is your problem?
No problem, sir.
Okay, cool. What about you, Winberg? Any problem?
No problem.
Okay. Java method. Not only Java method, you take any object-oriented programming language method. Java method is a block of code. Dipti, in our Java programming, we write our instructions or statements or steps in two ways. One is normal statements. Every normal statement should end with semicolon. For example, int x equals to 100. That is normal statement. Suppose system.out.println of something. Hello Java, normal statement. For example, if condition, that is block of code. See, normal statements and code blocks. Inside code blocks, you can find normal statements. Code blocks enclosed with curly braces in Java programming. Python follows code indentation. There no curly braces concept. Okay. Java method is a block of code, or you can say set of instructions or statements, set of statements. Say synonym for statements, steps, next instructions. See, Java method is a set of statements or steps or instructions that are grouped together, to perform certain action. See what programming features we use in main program. All can be used within methods also. For example, in main program, we declare variables. We write, we use conditions, loops, next input, getting user input, next display output, next loops, branching, etc. All can be used in methods also. The only difference between main program and method is subprogram. It is for reusability. Say you can pass data known as parameters into a method. but passing data is optional. See, you can pass data known as parameters into methods. Next, it is not exact equal, Nagalakshmi. Methods are equivalent to functions in structured programming. Example, C language. In C language, no method concept, function. In object-oriented programming like Java, methods for code reusability. In structured programming like C language, functions for code reusability. But they are not exact equal, Nagalakshmi. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Say methods, first, functions can be used directly, but methods can't be used directly. We call methods by invoking object. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Oh, still you have sound problem. You try to adjust your voice levels at least by tomorrow. Okay. Methods are equivalent. Methods are equivalent to functions in structured programming. Can you give an example for a structured programming language? Deepti, structured programming language? Deepti not responding. What is the problem, Deepti? Hello? Okay. Charles, can you give one example for structured programming in computer environment?
Yes, sir. In C language, sir.
Yes. Example,
Function.
C language.
Or even Python, sir.
Pardon?
Maybe in Python.
Python object-oriented programming.
Okay. C
Python,
language.
oops. Say, in structured programming, example, C language, we use functions. Example, built-in functions. These are predefined functions and user-defined functions. Deepti, are you there? Why Deepti?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Okay, cool.
Yes, sir. My system was stuck, sir. Sorry about it.
Okay, cool. No problem. Next, in object-oriented programming. Here everything is object. String is object, array is object, array list is object, everything object in object-oriented programming. But our Java is not pure object-oriented programming language due to primitive data types, int, char, etc. Suppose C++, pure object-oriented programming language. Okay. In object-oriented programming, example, Java, we use methods. We have functions. Here we have methods. Say same. Here also built-in and user-defined. Built-in methods and user-defined. Observe Winberg. In every programming language, built-in methods or built-in functions are limited. They create built-in concepts for regular use, frequently use. User-defined methods or functions, unlimited. You can create n number of n number of functions or methods based on your project requirement. Next here, observe Dipti, C language, structured programming. In C language, you can find functions for code reusability. Next, Java, object-oriented programming language. C++, object-oriented programming language. C#, object-oriented programming language. Here you can find methods for code reusability. What about Python? Do you have any idea? Nowadays, Python is trending.
Python's object-oriented.
Python also object-oriented programming language, but actually Python is hybrid. But people are saying Python is an object-oriented programming language. Why? In Python, object-oriented programming concepts are dominating. That's why people are saying that Python is object-oriented programming language. But Python supports procedural programming also. In Python, you can find functions as well as methods. Getting?
Sir, I have a question.
Tell me.
Sir, you saying Python is hybrid? It means it supports
It supports procedural language, means structured programming as well as object-oriented programming.
So can we use Python and automate web-based, window-based, mobile-based?
Yes, depends on the tool. Suppose Python can be used with Selenium for web-based automation. Python can be used with Appium for mobile test automation.
Okay. Can we use for a mainframe?
Say tool
For
required.
Windows.
You can't use tool required. You can't use Python programming directly. That is difficult process.
Like through
Any test tool support.
Package Center is a tool. We can use Python and develop.
Okay, that is not out of our syllabus. That we will discuss.
Okay.
That you mail me if you have any query. Say Python is programming language. It supports test automation or automated testing also. It can work with Selenium for functional testing of web applications, and it also supports mobile testing with the Appium tool. Next, in Python, are you working on mainframes?
Sir, I'm working in all three, like mainframe, mobile, web. That's what I'm asking you.
Okay. In Python, we have both functions and methods. Now tell me, Nagalakshmi, suppose if any interview if you face, what is the relation between functions and methods, and what is the difference? Core difference, core relation. We already discussed now. Methods are equivalent to functions, but not exact equal. What is the relation and difference between methods and functions, Nagalakshmi? General programming question. Nagalakshmi not responding. Charles.
Yes, sir.
What about
Sir,
you, Nagalakshmi? Why you are not responding? Hello? Okay. Deepthi, any idea?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Any idea about this one? Methods versus functions in programming?
Yeah, according to the explanation, I came to know that methods can pass the data where
Functions also can pass the data. In functions also you can use arguments.
okay, sir.
Winberg. I already indirectly explained the relation between these two as well as difference also, core difference. Charles.
Yes, sir. Methods like we use built-in or user-defined methods.
Both are built-in and user-defined functions also. That is not the difference.
Oh, okay, sir.
First tell me relation. What is the relation between methods and functions?
Once we create method, we use
Code reusability. Simplify the answer.
yeah.
See, if it is method or function, purpose of method or function is code reusability. That's it. Code reusability. Okay. Next, what is the difference?
Sir, it's similar. Means
Code reusability is difference. Already I told. Functions can be used directly, but methods can be used using objects. Getting? Methods can be associated with objects, but functions can be used directly. Getting? Any problem, Deepthi?
No, sir, I got it, sir.
Suppose if you know the C language, in C language, printf like functions are there now. You can use that function directly. Suppose if it is Java, if you want to print, okay, Nagalakshmi, if you want to print statement system.out.println associated with the object, now out is object, println is method. Okay. When we choose methods, observe this point carefully, Deepthi. When we choose methods, already
Sir,
I
am I
told.
audible now?
Yes.
Okay, sir. I just disconnected and connected again.
Cool.
There was some problem.
Okay, cool. Observe, Deepthi. When we choose methods, already I told methods for code reusability. Whenever we want to perform any action multiple times, action or operation, whenever we want to perform any operation or action multiple times, then we choose methods. Why? Write once, run multiple times. Suppose whenever we want to perform any action single time, then you no need to choose methods. Just write main program. Any problem, Winberg?
No problem.
Okay, cool. Whenever we want to
I have a
perform,
question. Sir, you are saying that if you want to run like in same class, if you want to run particular like test cases which we running.
see,
we
don't
using
mix test cases here. Here we are discussing programming
so
only.
we
Now you restrict to programming only. Then we will
No,
mix Java programming concepts with Selenium.
Okay, sir.
Here you
So we-
restrict to programming.
Okay, sir.
If you
So we
mix,
are creating multiple methods
ah,
for code reusability.
method for code reusability, but
Maybe using TestNG or JUnit.
don't mix that one also.
Okay, sir.
Actually, TestNG, JUnit also unit test frameworks for Java.
Right, sir.
Now don't
Here
discuss about
you are
that.
saying there is only main program which we create for only one time program like.
See, observe this
But-
point clearly. My question is, first we discussed purpose of methods. Purpose of methods, code reusability. Okay. Next, when we choose methods, whenever we want to perform an operation multiple times, then we choose methods. Why? Once you create a method, then you can reuse that method multiple times wherever required. Otherwise, you need to write same code again and again. Okay. Suppose another scenario, whenever you want to perform a single operation, or whenever, not single operation, whenever you want to perform an operation single time, that time you no need to choose method. You write direct program only. Why? One time use. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Whenever we want to perform an operation multiple times, then we choose methods. Next, observe Nagalakshmi. Advantage. Already we discussed advantages of methods. What is the primary advantage of method?
Code reusability.
Yes, code reusability. Code reusability. Next, secondary advantage, not secondary, next advantage, code maintenance. Code maintenance is easy. Observe, suppose in your project, you created 200 or 300 methods and using them in different places. Suppose if any modification for a particular method, you just open that method and edit that code, that can be reflected to all associated programs. Getting? Any problem, Deepti? Any problem?
No, sir. Thank you.
This is about first topic, Deepti, introduction to Java methods. Here we discussed what is method, when we choose methods, advantage of methods.